oneself. That's the
Ayun
worst.
po, hindi tayo naglalaro. Nagpo-practice lang tayo. Nagpo-practice medyo.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Papagtsaan ko yun ng pamalupitang double dash. Double dash yun, pre. Ito naman po, kickback. Para hindi nyo makalimutan. Mayari ko dito, pre. Binabalik na.
In the world of Kung Fu,
Ito naman
to
na.
find the winner.
Double dash. Double dash. Namatik ka. Napagtsaan dito ng double dash.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Fish. Ang trick lang, pre. Pa. Di ako pa.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
First step. Ganito. Sabay na ganun. Mali. Diba yan? Yan. Mali.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Pinaulo. Babawaan ko. Sabay.
In the world of speed defines the winner.
Ganun. Ay. Ito na ganun.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Everybody has to start.
May tricks akong bago eh.
Not knowing oneself. That's the
Papangalan ko
worst.
itong crash cake. Ay, hindi. Basta. Ganito sa ganito.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but it
Ganun lang. Di na siya double dash. Ang gaganto ko. Ganun ba sabay SS?
everybody has to start somewhere.
Ganun. Gusto ko na. Kickback na.
Not knowing oneself.
Pipi. Yan. First. Ganun lang.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Tatapon. Ito yung kanina.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ay, nakalimutan ko mag-data. Ganun rin. Ganun lang. Ito double dash na naman. Hindi. Pipi. Pre, bawal takbo, pre. Kahit wala pa tayong god mode yan. Basically, lang yan.
The man who can beat me.
Diba? Basic.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Basic lang siya. Kahit sa lubong
Empty your
ko pa
cup
sana.
in order to fill it again.
Hindi ko kaya yung pre. Kaya pang agad na gano'n. Magpa-practice tayo, pre. Ito na gan. Serious na tayo. Mentisi nga pala to. Ba, mentisi to.
Not
Pre,
knowing
lapit.
oneself.
Pre, bawal dito makutin. Ito pala damage. Ba, sash.
Knowing is not enough.
First
We
step.
must apply.
1, 2, 3. Tapos, SS. 5 second. SS. Sabang ka na.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
First kill. Tapos, second kill. SS. Basta, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang katulad niya sila.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Double dash tayo. Double dash na. Wala rin.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Pagsabayin ko. First step. Talaga rin gawin. Tapos, wala. Ayaw na pinag-easy dyan. Dati,
Not knowing oneself.
si
That's
Kuya
the worst.
Bintizi yun, pre. Kuya Bintizi yan. Baji. Kuya Bintizi.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Bakit? Take back. Take back ang pekara. Double bash ang naman pala. Double bash. Pre, lapit dito, pre.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Nahuli tayo. O hindi tayo papatayan dyan, pre. Kasi naman, pencil ito. Nakakalimutan niyo. Ako lang malakas. Malakas lang ako, pre. Kakalimutan niyo.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Yan. Basta ganito, di ba yung double dash? Ganito daw yun. Sabi ni Rai, kaya Rai ko. Tulad nito pa. She's perfect.
Boxing is not a way to hurt them.
May harang kasi. Yan. Ang mali. I-flicker ko na lang ito. Hindi eh. Pero ito yung pinakita niya kanina. Nung nadood ako sa kanya. Damage.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ayan. Hindi ko nagawa, pre.
Everybody has to start somewhere. The man who can beat me is
Mali. Mali yung nagawa ko, pre.
boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Look! Triple kill ko sana. Triple. Bakit ito triple recall?
Not knowing oneself, that's the
Look!
worst.
Dalawa lang pala dapat yan. Yan, diba?
In the world of Kung
Hindi ko
Fu,
talaga
speed
nagagawa na
defines the winner.
yung first step. Ganyan. SS. Sabay flicker. Pindutin mo agad flicker. Ganyan, no? O, diba? Nakaka-kickback pa, no? Ganyan yung kickback, pre. Ito na. Katulad na ito, para naman. Yan, diba? Okay. Tapos,
In the world of Kung Fu, speed
SS
defines the winner.
pindutin mo agad yung flicker. Magiging kickback mo, pre. Tulad na ito, freestyle. Wait lang, gayahin ko lang yung kay Ate Shaira.
The man who can beat me is nothing for you.
Yung, basta yung ginawa niya, papalitan ko na lang. Freestyle.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Bata ka naman. Goodbye. Tulog ka muna.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Love. Yun. May papakita ko sa inyo. Pamalayuan mo ka.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ayan. Layo, diba?
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ayan na. Diba? Perfect.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.